you learned a lot from YouTuber, okay, everything they said that makes them go viral, you've done that on your YouTube channel, but you still don't see the views, the subscribers, and it's as if you are being stalled. Don't worry, there's this one thing that you need to do before you upload your video on your YouTube channel, and trust me, this works perfectly well, okay, because this will also help when people search for that same topic of your video on Google. Your video is going to pop up if you have done this one thing I'm going to show you in those videos. I don't want this video to be very long, but before I proceed, make sure you like this video, share, leave your comment in the comment section, and most importantly, don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel and turn on the notification bell so that whenever I post a video, you'll be among the first person to get notified. So without wasting much time, let me head over to the other side of my screen, which I'm going to show you that, okay. So first thing first, you need to after you might have, I'm using phone, okay, you know how you can work your way through system, okay. So let me go to my file manager, okay. The video is already here, okay. So let me click on video. So when I click on video, I have several videos here, okay. I'm just going to pick one of the video here. So when I pick one of the video, okay, if you want me to play, sorry, I'll just press and hold the video, okay. So I will just click on more. So when I click on more, I will click on rename. Okay, let's say the topic of this video is how to grow fast on YouTube. So you need to change the file name to how to grow fast on YouTube, okay, and you click on rename, okay. So when you click on rename, you head over to the thumbnail, okay. So let me go to my image and pick any of my thumbnail, okay. So this is one of my thumbnail. Let me just use this particular thumbnail and do this, okay. Rename, let me just say how to grow fast on YouTube, and you rename it, okay. So let's head over to our YouTube studio to upload this file, and I'm going to show you this when we are about to upload this file, okay. So when you go to your YouTube studio, I'm just going to go ahead and click on it because I've already opened it, okay. So let's say I want to upload that particular video right here. So I will click on create. So when I click on create, I'm going to see this upload videos. I will click on upload videos. I will click here to select the files that I just renamed, okay. I will click here to select the video, which is the one I just renamed, okay. I'll click on media picker. So I'll just give it a little time for it to come up. So when it comes up, we are going to pick that video I just saved the name. Now you can see it right here on my screen, how to grow fast on YouTube, okay. So this is how the video shown before, okay. You can see LV0 blah blah blah. So if you are uploading your video like with this file name, it is wrong because it will not help people to search for your video and your video will pop up, okay. This is one of the things that will actually help you to get more views. People can actually go to Google and search for this same topic and your video is going to come up if you rename the file of your video based on the topic you are making it on, okay. So I'll just click on the video. This is the one we just renamed, okay. I'll just click on that. So when you click on that, you are going to see something right here, okay. You need to rename your thumbnail and also rename the video title based on the title that you want to use, okay. First thing first, what do you see here? The moment you click on that video the moment you click on that video, I don't want to upload this video, guys. The moment you click on that video, you can see that instead of the file name to show LV02222, it has shown how to grow fast on YouTube. So when people are searching for how to grow fast on YouTube, this my video will actually come up, right? So when you come to your video title, okay, when you come to your video title, okay, you are still going to see the same topic right here. It will automatically shown here, okay. So when you do that, you go ahead, click on the thumbnail that you just saved, okay. Click on that your particular thumbnail. I think the video is uploaded, that's why this does not want to click. You click on that particular thumbnail that you just saved, okay, and you do what? And you upload it here. So by so doing, when people are searching for all this topic, your video is going to come up and also rank well in search. So I did it and my video went viral and I've seen a change in my video. So also try this on your YouTube channel and you're going to thank me later, okay. So that's the end of this video. Please do well to like, share, follow this page for more tutorials and amazing tips like this. Bye guys, and I'm going to see you in my next video.